Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to solve this issue. You can see here, please remove this media and press any key to reboot. Why it is saying like this? And you are trying to install Windows and you are not able to install Windows, and it is keeps saying to BIOS and legacy boot of UEFI only media. It means the bootable USB you are using to install Windows, it is created the USB in UEFI mode only, but your device, your PC or laptop, anything, whatever you are trying to, wherever you are trying to install, the device is in legacy mode. So you have to change from the legacy mode to UEFI mode only. Then you are able to install the bootable, install the operating system, even Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever you are trying to install. It means the PC should be in UEFI mode only. So for that one, what we have to do, just take the keyboard, just press escape, and you have to press F2 or F1. I'm using Lenovo device, so I'm pressing F1. So you can see, so it is now in BIOS mode. Any device, for example, you have to check for your device whether your Dell or HP or Lenovo, the BIOS key. You have to enter to the BIOS and you have to go to the boot sequence. You have to check each and every setting. Sometimes if your device is Dell, it will show you BIOS setups is quite different, so you have to choose properly. And you can see here, startup. Here startup, the boot sequence is primary boot sequence. From here you can change the boot sequence, whether you are trying to boot with the hard disk or USB, or if it is changed, you can just change from here. So you can select the automatic boot sequence as well. So you can go down, you can see here boot mode only, it is in the legacy mode. Just press enter to change. If you select auto, it will work as well. It will search whether it is UEFI or legacy, but it is better to choose only UEFI mode. So most of the new generation laptops or PCs, it is installing UEFI mode only. So just press enter. So you can see the UEFI, it is changed to from legacy to UEFI. Now you can see here F10 to save. I will press F10 on my keyboard, then it is asking to save. Yes, I will click, I will press it yes, or either you can use mouse to press enter. Yes, okay, I click the yes enter button to accept the settings. Now you can see the PC will open as well, but I am going to press F12. Why? Because I want to install Windows on this device. Before I connected the USB, but it is not booting to the booting to the bootable USB, and also the issue was showing me there. So I changed my PC to UEFI mode. Then I am trying to install the operating system. Even if you doesn't change, sometimes the device will accept when you enter the F12. For most of the PCs, F12 to go to the boot mode. Once you connect the USB, you can choose boot mode, and I can select the F12 to go to the boot mode. From there you can install the Windows. You can select whether you are using USB or hard disk for the bootable device, and you can select, and once you press enter, it will, you can change as well. And this is my SanDisk USB, just press enter. It will go to the installation mode, so you can install the Windows without any interruptions. So I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.